Living in Ontario means experiencing both chilly winters and humid summers. To keep your home comfortable year-round, understanding your HVAC system is essential. Let's break down the basics and share some maintenance tips to ensure your system runs efficiently. Your furnace heats your home during the cold months. Air conditioner cools and dehumidifies during the summer. Ductwork distributes air throughout your home. Your thermostat controls the temperature and settings. Your air handler circulates air through the system. Your air filters, they trap dust and allergens to maintain air quality. Each component plays a vital role in maintaining your indoor comfort. In winter, your furnace warms the air, which is then circulated through the ductwork. During summer, the air conditioner removes heat and humidity, cooling your home. Regular maintenance ensures efficiency. Change air filters. You should replace these every 30 to 90 days to maintain airflow and air quality. Schedule your annual tune-ups. Have professionals inspect your home before peak seasons. Clean around the units. Remove debris from around outdoor units to prevent blockages. Inspect ductwork. Seal any leaks to improve efficiency. Clean your vents and registers. Ensure unobstructed airflow throughout your entire home. These steps can extend the life of your system and reduce energy bills. To enhance energy efficiency, install a programmable thermostat. Adjust temperatures automatically based on your schedule. Improve home insulation. Proper insulation keeps the desired temperatures longer. Use ceiling fans. They help distribute air evenly, reducing the load on your HVAC system. Consider upgrading. Newer systems are more energy efficient and can save you money in the long run. Understanding and maintaining your HVAC system is key to comfort and efficiency. If you have any questions or need professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Affordable Comfort. We're here to help you stay comfortable all year round. Thanks for watching!